Congratulations on your new Brio 500 series bottom load water cooler. Let's walk through the easy installation. Step 1. Cooler placement and drip tray. After you remove your water cooler from the box, move it to a location that is flat, shaded, and near a grounded wall outlet. Place your cooler at least 8 inches from the wall to allow for proper airflow. Now, slide the drip tray and grid into place. You're all set. Step 2. Installing water bottle. First, place the 5-gallon bottle near the cooler. Remove the plastic seal on top of the bottle and clean the cap and neck area with a damp cloth. Insert the adapter and place the cap over the bottle, then press it into place. To finish, slide the bottle into the cabinet, close the door, and plug the cooler into a wall outlet to activate the pump. Now, wait 5 minutes for the water tanks to fill. Final steps. Once time is up, place a cup under the tap and press the hot and cold buttons until the water dispenses steadily. Next, locate the red heating and green cooling controls on the back of your cooler and switch both to on. That's it. Now you're ready to start enjoying better hydration with your new Brio water cooler.